Top low-calorie density foods list help you eat comfortably, no gaining weight. Many people think that if you want to lose weight, you need to reduce the number of calories in the body, or in other words, the high amount of calories you consume must be smaller than the calories you burn daily. You will lose weight. Don't forget subscribe Belly Fat Zone channel to accept useful video every week. This is not wrong, but when people lose weight, they will reduce the amount of food they consume or even starve to reduce calories, which will affect health and cause confusion disorders of certain organs in your body. But to lose weight and still eat as much as we want, we have to choose foods like. It is still eating a certain number of calories according to the weight loss plan. Still, you can eat as much as you like because the foods you consume are deficient in calories and other proteins, and amino acids are still full enough for the body's functioning. At this point, your body will still feel full because your stomach is always working and providing calories to drip to the body so that the total calories you load will be smaller than nutritious meals. Other nursing. You will definitely lose weight. When do you need to choose low-calorie foods? This is when you are on a diet or need to control the amount of energy put into your body, not to gain weight. The following foods will help you maintain your weight, physique, but not hungry, and still meet many nutrients necessary for the body's activities. Now Belly Fat Zone invites you to refer to this video together. Cucumber. Cucumber contains a lot of water, is diverse in cooking, from cooked, mixed salad, pressed detox, or eaten raw. This is a delicious snack that many people like, helping you dispel hunger without causing fat. 100 cucumbers have about 10 calories. Raspberry. Manganese is found in bunches of red raspberries that are responsible for boosting metabolism. Meanwhile, ketones increase the purification of a protein in adipose tissue, increasing the ability to metabolize and break down fat. That is the secret to help you reduce fat by supplementing this fruit. 100 g of raspberry has about 43 calories. Citrus. The amount of vitamin C rich in citrus will quickly increase your fitness, help the body no longer feel tired, crave. Eating or drinking orange juice will strengthen the resistance, say no to infectious diseases, and help detoxify beautiful skin. Besides oranges, grapefruit also has the same effects. 100 g of oranges has about 47 calories. Green apples. This fruit does not contain any cholesterol, and the energy level is shallow, so you can eat comfortably when hungry without fear of getting fat. The glycemic index in green apples is also shallow, adding more protein and fiber, contributing to improving blood sugar. 100 g of green apples has 52 calories. Apricots. If you are looking for a low-calorie food for weight loss people, then consider the delicious apricots. Beta-carotene in dreams will protect you from the risk of cardiovascular disease and cancer, help brighten eyes, beautiful skin. 100 g of apricot has about 48 calories. Watermelon. Watermelon red berry, sweet, and plenty of water is a refreshing fruit dish everyone loves, especially in the hot season. Watermelon has a special amino acid, which will turn into arginine to help accelerate weight loss. 100 g watermelon has about 30 calories. Strawberries. Many studies have shown that eating strawberries helps you control your weight better. It stimulates metabolism, reduces appetite. No need to fret about low calories and still enjoy your meal. 100 g of strawberries has about 32 calories. Melon. The fiber in melon will stay in your stomach longer than other types of foods, so it will keep you full for longer, restricting junk food and eating unhealthy. This fruit is also rich in folate and B vitamins, essential substances that you don't always get enough of. 100 g of melon has about 34 calories. Pineapple. Pineapple, also known as pineapple, pineapple is also a high-energy, low-energy food used a lot when dieting. Pineapple also contains bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins that helps the body absorb more efficiently. 100 g of pineapple has about 50 calories. Papaya. Papaya is well known for its good functioning of the digestive system. Papaya is a digestive enzyme called papain. Its fiber also plays a role in eliminating many waste materials and toxins accumulated in the body. 100 g of papaya has about 42 calories. Blueberry. In addition to the fiber that limits appetite, blueberries are also appreciated for their moderate antioxidant effect. This ability is made possible by vitamin C. A glass of blueberry juice can meet 24% of the body's daily requirement of vitamin C. 100 g of blueberries has 57 calories. Green tea. Pure green tea contains no calories, but its weight loss also lies in caffeine and catechin. These substances have antioxidant effects, accelerate metabolism, burn energy, break down excess fat tissue, and reduce fat in your body. Water. In filtered water, of course, there are no calories. Whether you are losing weight or not, you must also add more water to purify your body, eliminate toxins, and control the amount of food you consume. Celery. In addition to being low in calories, celery is also favored by the Weight Loss Association because of its ability to reduce bad cholesterol in the body. Besides, celery enhances vitamins A, B6, B12, C, D, E, K and minerals like calcium, sodium, potassium. 100 g of celery has about 14 calories. Seaweed. Seaweed, also known as kelp, is one of the lowest calorie but very nutritious foods. In seaweed, there is sugar powder, fiber, protein. The amount of vitamin A is twice that of carrots, and the amount of calcium is 3 times higher than that of cow's milk. There is no reason why you would skip such great food. 100 g of seaweed has about 43 calories. Asparagus. Asparagus is a popular food worldwide. In some countries, it is also called emperor vegetable. The reason is that this vegetable has extremely high nutritional value, antioxidant, prevents many diseases. Asparagus also contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, so you don't feel hungry for hours after eating. 100 g of asparagus has about 20 calories. Tomatoes. Tomatoes must be no stranger to anyone, a kind of healthy and beautiful fruit from deep within. Besides the huge amount of vitamins and minerals, it also contains organic compounds that fight cancer, reduces cholesterol, helps the digestive system stay healthy, and beautifies the skin. Working hard on low-calorie foods like tomatoes will help you stay slim and slim. 100 g of tomatoes has about 18 calories. Broccoli. The food is never lacking in healthy eating menus due to its high nutritional value and effective weight loss support. This is a low-calorie protein food that is preferred by many bodybuilders. Broccoli also helps to eliminate toxins, fight cancer, and prevent many other diseases. 100 g of broccoli has about 34 calories. Cauliflower. The glucosinolate compound found in broccoli has a protective effect on the lungs and stomach from cancer risk. Some other substances in cauliflower interact with estrogen in the body, preventing cancer in women. 100 g of cauliflower has about 25 calories. Watercress. Watercress also contains a glucosinolate compound that plays a role in preventing cancer. Another prominent nutrient in watercress is vitamin K, which meets up to 312% of daily needs. This vitamin helps bones stronger and has many benefits for mental health. 100 g of watercress has about 11 calories. Spinach. Spinach, also known as spinach, is famous for being a low-calorie, nutritious food. In particular, it supplements protein to help nourish lean muscle, accompanied by a hormone that enhances muscle resilience. Those who do the gym must be very familiar with this vegetable. 100 g of spinach has about 23 calories. Chili. The super low-calorie intake is undisputed, and the thing that makes peppers noticeable is the capsaicin component. This is a spicy flavoring agent for chili, which enhances the taste of the dish, and it also participates in burning calories to help you consume excess energy. 100 g of chili has about 6 calories. Bell peppers. The method of losing bell peppers is known and shared by many people. This method takes advantage of the abundant water and fiber in chili to create a lasting fullness feeling. Bell peppers are always on the low-calorie food table. 100 g of bell peppers has about 26 calories. Mushrooms. The fiber in straw mushrooms includes beta-glucan and chitin, which help reduce hunger and cravings, reduce sugar absorption and prevent obesity. Besides, mushrooms are also rich in B vitamins such as B1, B2, B3, B5, B9. 100 g of mushrooms has about 32 calories. Zucchini. 95% of zucchini is water, so adding a low-calorie and sugar food to your diet will help you lose weight more easily and effectively. Omega-3 fatty acids and anti-inflammatory carotenoids also help prevent the causes of gout. 100 g of zucchini has about 16.7 calories. White radish. White radish with high water content helps keep the body hydrated, moisturizes the skin. It is also rich in fiber, making the digestive system work efficiently and effectively, avoiding excess body buildup. 100 g radish has 16 calories. Eggplant. In the list of low-calorie foods, no fat, abundant fiber, it is impossible not to mention eggplant. This is good food for people with diabetes and can reduce the amount of cholesterol in the body, but you have to prepare below 200 degrees Celsius. 100 g eggplant has about 24 calories. Carrots. Carrots contain only a small amount of unsaturated fat, so it will not affect your weight. A great source of vitamin A, carrots not only improve vision but also increase immunity. 100 g carrots have about 41 calories. You can also add sports foods that support fat burning during exercise to help the process of weight loss become faster and more effective. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, please like and share it with everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to a channel to receive new videos every week.